Hello and welcome back. So in this video we will start off by making our landing page for the watch application. So let me just go ahead and start off. So very first thing that we'll do is that we'll use the bootstrap CDN. So I'm gonna go to get bootstrap and then quickly get the CSS and go to index.html. Okay, copy this up and paste this thing. Alright, so I guess we are pretty much sorted in this part. Let me write hello and check. So as you guys can see, the text is different. I know that this is a bootstrap text. Yeah, this is fine. And now I'm just going to grab the navbar from the bootstrap. So I don't know, I'm not sure. I'm gonna copy and paste this whole thing. I don't need this. I'm gonna take a much clean this thing. This seems to be good. Let me copy this up and let me just quickly come back over here and paste it. Let's see how it looks. Let me reload. Okay, I did not copy that thing properly. I need to copy it properly and just paste it up. Alright, so as you guys can see, the snap bar is there. It looks fine. Okay, in the snap bar we need to write the company name. I'm gonna choose Rolex. Alright, some random brand. Okay, and basically the idea of it is that you can take care of the styling of the above one. The main idea is to embed the Three.js thing over here. So this was our this thing. So let me remove all of these values, like this one. Yeah, this one. We'll just put a home option over here. All right, and now after doing that, let me just quickly go down a little bit where this navigation bar ends, and I'm gonna give a row. Okay, and I'm gonna give two divs, and I'm gonna give let me write this thing as class name, not class. You're not supposed to write class. It will work, but I'm gonna write call lg phi, call lg, call md phi, call sm12, so that it will be responsive. And I'm gonna write something like um, h3 h3, and the class name that I'll be using is display 4. Check out our best and the cheapest watch. Yeah, I'm sorry if I'm making a grammatical mistake. Alright, so I'm gonna make this thing as text center, so that will be on the center. And now after doing that, I'm gonna create one more div, which will basically show the Three.js code. Write it, call lg6, call md5, call sm12, so that on the total columns are 9, right? So I have divided the two divs. One div will hold the text and the other div will basically hold the whole Three.js element. So now one thing that I'm gonna do over here is that I'm gonna basically wrap this whole into a main container. Oops. Yeah, I guess, yeah, this looks fine. I'm not gonna do it over here. I'm gonna do it over here. Yeah. And I'm gonna give a class name to it. Something like background new. Okay. And I'm gonna quickly grab the background color as, let me open up styles.js and I'm gonna write bg new, pass in the background color, which I have already saved. And I'm gonna make the text as white. Yeah, cool. So now I guess, let me just close off all the unnecessary items. Right, I'm gonna press this button. Yeah, there you go. So now, one more thing, but before doing that, I'm just going to add this part, 3JS part. Yeah, I guess we are pretty much sorted with this part. So now we will just start off making the canvas. All right, so for that we will need few dependencies. The very first dependency that we'll need is React 3 Fiverr. Okay, hyphen Fiverr. We will need DRIE also, which will give us nice options. React 3 DREI, which will give us utility options like orbital controls, all of that. We'll need 3JS as well, 3. And I guess we're pretty much sorted with these items. And we'll also need types 3, right? So DREI will help us put the element that we want to put inside the website on the right hand side. All right, so right over here, I'm going to start off by importing the canvas. All right, so the canvas will basically hold the whole value, or perhaps the whole element. So we will basically work on this in the next video, and in the very next lecture you will find the .glb file, which will contain the watch 3D object. So please download that and put it inside the public folder. You can press this upload files and you can basically do that. So I'll see you guys over there. Till then, goodbye and take care.